Welcome to Excel Level Up. If you're here, I assume that you're having a problem with VLOOKUP returning a £n/A error and you have no idea how to fix it. I'm going to show you how to fix it within under 2 minutes or less. This is Excel Level Up. This is the channel that's devoted to helping you use Excel more efficiently, faster, to make yourself look better. So anyway, let's jump right into the example. Let's get right to the example here. So what I have is effectively like two data sets. The one in blue is where I have a value and then a description, and over here is in the yellow the same apparently values, but I want to do a VLOOKUP of that one. So if I do a VLOOKUP here of trying to match the 4, it should be then the 4 Ds will show up. I know this is not going to work, but we'll kind of then talk about why. So VLOOKUP, look up this column, then I'm going to look at columns B and C, pull the second column, and let's do an exact match. When I do this, I'm going to get the error £n/A, which indicates that it is not finding a match for that. And when I copy it down for the rest of them, I'm seeing that as well. Why is that the case? Well, frankly, it's really simple. All of these right here are text fields, and these are number fields. Now, you could actually use this feature here of actually converting this to a number. However, if you've done that before with large data sets, it doesn't always work the cleanest in the world. You can't just change this to a number. So for instance, if I highlight this, go to the home, pick this be a number, you'll see it doesn't make a difference. It still leaves it as text. Excel thinks that's a text, it's not a number, so changing the formatting does absolutely nothing here. So instead, I actually have to convert these values to a number, and the NA will go away. How do I do that? Highlight everything in the B column, go to the Data tab on Excel. You'll see this Text the Columns button. The button may look a little bit different depending on what version of Excel you're on. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to start the wizard. I can leave it to either be delimited or fixed width. I usually like to limit it better, so leave it on the first option. Hit the next key. I like it usually defaults to tab. That's a good one to leave it on because there are no tabs in here. Then I'm going to hit next. This gets to the last step. How it's going to work is I'm going to leave it as a general column. But what it will do is it will go through, and anything that looks like a number, it's going to convert it to a number. So the 1 will stay a 1, but internally it'll become a number. The 2 will match, and we'll see the VLOOKUP on the right-hand side will work if I did this correctly. And there you go. Now you'll see that it's matching the numbers. It did bring it over with 2 decimal places here. That doesn't really matter. That's just formatting. I can easily lower that down, but the key is that now VLOOKUP is showing right there, and that really is in 2 minutes how you can fix 99% of your VLOOKUP problems. It's usually due to formatting of numbers as either text or numbers. Thank you very much for listening, and I wish you the best endeavors in your Excel. Please let me know if this worked for you or not. Give it a thumbs up, or if it doesn't work, give me a thumbs down and tell me what I could have done better for you. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all the support that you and others give to my channel. If there's any topics that I can help you with, please write a note down below, and I'm more than happy to write some tips that will help you at your job. Have a great day.